Hey guys, back to give you another makeup tip. Last time in my little makeup tip, I was just covering, the very beginning steps for my beginners, setting your intention and all that good stuff. So I'm just starting off with the basics here, and it's going to be your foundation. Okay. First of all, if you have really good skin and you don't want to wear foundation, opt for tinted moisturizer. You can't go wrong with tinted moisturizer, and they have all different levels of coverage, just like the foundation does. And you can even get them with SPF in them. So you want to go that route. But either way, with your tinted moisturizer, with your foundation, how to select the color for that. Um, I don't know what you have heard, but I have heard a million things when it comes to this, both at cosmetology school, from random people, from people that work in the stores. Some say look at your neck, some say look at the inside of your wrist, so your arm, your face, actually your face, to match the color. And it's really one rule of thumb, no matter where you're getting the color from, because you just want your face to match your body. Like when you take a photo, you don't want a tan body and a white face, or a white body and a tan face, vice versa, right? I mean, if you do, well, then whatever, to each his own, right? Like I said, there's no rules, depends on the look that you're going for. But if you do want everything to look like it's all connected, you're just going to want to look and see, like, okay, what does the coloring of my body look like? Is everything the same color? My chest, my neck, my arms, is this kind of all the same color? If it is, okay, we're gonna go with this here. We're gonna match this with this. So if, like me, when I go tanning, I don't tan my face, so my face is pretty pale, so I go based off of this color. um, there's other people who are naturally tan. So like the inside of their wrist and their neck, all of that it's already tan. Um, so you just want to stick with what what is the color that you're going for, that you want to have throughout, blended on top of your face. So if your neck tends to be a little bit lighter than your chest area, well, kind of match the two to where you can put it on your face and blend it down. Okay, so that's what you want to go for. If your face is a different color than your body, you don't want to get the same color foundation or tinted moisturizer as your face, because then again, we're going for that disconnection. Okay, if you have a farmer's tan or something like that, pick the color that you want to emulate on your face. If your arms are dark and you want your body to be that same color, just keep in mind that you're going to have to spread this color throughout. Okay, so if you've got like a dark chest, but your neck is still white, but you want to have it the color of your chest so it looks even, then you're going to have to blend it throughout your neck. Okay, and if you're trying to get rid of the farmer's tan and you want this to be spread throughout the chest, it's vice versa. So just keep all of that in mind. And if you have any questions, again, you can always get a hold of me on here or my other platform on YouTube. Hope this helps somebody, and hope you have a good day. Bye.